What's going on, YouTube? It's a cold day here. Windy and cloudy. I think we're gonna get some rain. So I'm gonna head on inside and do some carving for you guys. It's too cold to play outside today. So let's go inside and see what we got for you. Alrighty guys, we're back in the garage where it's nice and warm, and we're gonna sit down here at the little carving station and carve something fun for you guys today. I've seen a lot of other carvers on YouTube are carving rolling pins, so I decided, hey, why not? Let's carve one up today and see what we can do with it. So I'm thinking we're gonna do a wood spirit on here, maybe a couple of them. Maybe a few of them. A lot of room to work here. So we'll get you guys set up here, and we will draw something on here and go from there. Alrighty. Maybe we'll do one wood spirit today, another one next time. We'll just cover this thing in wood spirits, and I think that'd be kind of cool. So we'll see what happens. Guys, let's go ahead and draw on a face. So like always, we start with our center line. Something like that. And start by drawing his nose. A big round nose for this guy. You want it to be somewhat the same on both sides. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it pretty close, or else it just looks silly. Something like that. We fix it as we go. And then the mustache. We're going to do a really big mustache for this guy. Somewhere in there. Something like that. Okay, and then eyebrows, and then the head will go somewhere in there. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put this little taper burr on and go ahead and start carving this guy out. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, this taper burr is not going to cut it for this rolling pin's kind of hard. I'm not sure what kind of wood that is, but this doesn't want to carve it. So we're going to switch over to the cut saw. Cut saw will cut it. And like always guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go ahead and get your own cut saws. You use my promo code with your purchase and you'll save yourself 5%. So let's get back to carving. It's starting to get there. So what I want to do now is I want to actually draw on some hairs. So I'm going to do that. I'll probably just do it off camera. It's not a big deal. I'm going to draw on some hairs, and then we'll draw on his eyes and his eyebrows. So right now, I'll do it on camera. Why not? Let's see. I'm just we're going to draw in some kind of hairline. Something like that. A few little stringy hairs down on the face here. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we'll carve in these kind of around the hairline a little bit, and then we'll figure out eyes. Okay? So let's go ahead and get his hair. Okay guys, you can see I kind of just carved in a little bit of like a hairline, I guess you could say. I also went ahead and did his eyebrows. So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw on some eyes. We're going to go ahead and carve his eyes in, and then we're going to go ahead and carve in the mouth. And from there we will switch burrs and start doing all the texturing. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw on his eyes real quick. This is always the part that I struggle with. Eyes are definitely the hardest part for me. So we'll go something like that. Okay? Let's go ahead and start carving. Okay guys, so we're going to switch over to the aluminum burr now, and we're going to go ahead and cut in some of these hairs, give them some texture. Let's see here. We're going to use this one, and we're just going to run it on the edge and cut in some hairs. We're almost done here with this guy. Okay, let's cut in some hairs now. Alright guys, so you can see I got most of the hairs carved in here. I am going to go ahead and get all the rest of the hairs carved in on the back. And then I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll get back with you, okay? Guys, he's pretty much done now. We just got to go ahead and sand him up. So we're going to throw on this little flap sander here. We're going to turn the speed down on the Dremel. And we're just going to go ahead and sand the whole thing. Guys, so he's done. This is the final carving. It's pretty cool looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray him with some Spar thing. So I'm gonna spray him up real quick off camera, so I don't get any of the back spray on my phone. I don't want to do that. So anyways, let me spray him up real quick, and then I'll get right back with you. There's the final product, Mr. Roly Pin Man. Pretty cool. You can see the size comparison next to like a soda bottle. Yeah, I like them. I think it turned out really cool. Anyways guys, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. What else should I carve? Thanks for watching guys. I hope you guys have a good day, good night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.